Hi,
Hello,
I'm Peach,
I'm Cindy.
and we're here to discuss about the serious topic of
Love.
yung differences from waiting the right time and the right person and having a relationship ng ora-orada.
Okay.
I'm single, but I had a relationship prior to that. Matagal-tagal, 3 years in counting, and so almost 4. And we had a child.
Then kami, I'm in a relationship right now with 2 years.
2 years na sila. And the difference is, I got a lot of boyfriends. Yung parang, I'm into a lot of relationship during my colleges prior to my last relationship. Siya.
First.
Unfortunately, nag-iisang boyfriend. First and last boyfriend na ata niya.
Sana.
Hopefully. Yung gusto lang namin sa mga teens today, you know what, I got really enjoyed sa dami-dami na experience, sa dami-dami na naging boyfriend. Sabihin na talaga natin marami. Yung marami. You know it. Diba?
Collect and select.
Pero hindi pala maganda yung naging kinalabasan during my college. Kasi they graduated ahead than me. Kahit naman nag-transfer ako or nag-stop ng isang sem. Late ako ng isang taon. And besides, hindi naging ganun kadali nung naging seryoso na ako ng sobra-sobra sa relationship ko kasi hindi na naging achiever. Sayang. Sayang yung moment na magiging achiever ka, yung parang top of the class ka.
Yes.
Iba pa rin yung ganun na. Kasi you landed to a good job naman. See, she's a clerk and she earned her post. Ako naman, masaya naman ako sa pagiging center
Top
agent.
1 agent.
Removed agent. Well, masaya naman ako kahit saan. Kasi, diskarte lang yan eh. But,
Yes.
advice.
Diskarte kasi to eh.
Sa advice sa mga teens, 'di ba?
Mm-mm.
Ako marami akong naging relationship ha, pero yung experience pala, it doesn't mean na you have to be in a lot of them to experience different situation. Hindi ka magiging maganda kung marami kang magiging
You have
boyfriend.
naman.
Pero kasi,
Diba?
lesson learned. Pero,
Lesson learned.
kung during college days, affected yung studies, affected yung performance, and sayang yung panahon. Kasi, hindi mo lang sarili yung pagsisisihan mo eh. Hindi naman I had regrets, pero may mga points sa life natin na sana we did it correctly. Kasi, may mga taong nagpapakahirap,
Correct.
and I really admit I've learned a lot. And yes na yes.
Then, just wait for the right guy to come. And also pray na ready ka at yung guy in yung relationship mo.
Ikaw sino ha? How would you advise them from waiting? Kasi maraming atat dyan eh. Ang daming atat dyan. Promise.
Just wait. Wait kasi it's worth waiting.
Bakit ba? Pinipigilan ba dapat yung pag-ibig? O kusa na lang dumadating yan? Kasi sa akin, madali akong ma-fall. Yun lang. Alam niyo yun,
Sa akin
di ba?
naman is, madaling ma-fall, pero pinipigilan lang. Kasi okay lang mo yung ma-fall, pero hindi sobra.
Ako baka ako ma-fall, di ba? I really give time. Kung ano yung pwedeng ibigay ko, I double it. Yun naman pala. Everything in excess is, anything in excess and too much is bad.
Yes.
So, dapat may lugar yung lahat. At saka teens, di dapat pagpibibitin sa kailangan ng madaling-madalian. Hinihintay at saka, nasa lugar lahat. Para walang sisihan, di ba? Kasi may mga bagay na hindi mo masasabing pinagsisihan mo, pero admit it, sana you do it on the other half. So, to close it, sana may napulutan kayong aral. Yun lang. Hindi ko alam. Sana lang.
Opo.
Sige, hanggang next topic lang po. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.